Greetings and welcome to our channel, wise and wonderful folks in their golden years. Are you ready to dive into a world of vibrant health, enhanced longevity, and a dash of humor? Well, we've got a golden ticket for you. Turmeric water, the age-old elixir that's making a comeback in style. As we venture into the fabulous 50s and beyond, we often find ourselves pondering how to make the most of this exciting stage of life. It's a time when wisdom meets wanderlust, and the desire for health and vitality becomes more precious than gold, or should we say, golden turmeric? It will interest you to know that the traditional belief that surrounds turmeric is that it has therapeutic power. But hold on to your rocking chairs because we're about to unveil a secret that's been sprinkled with a bit of magic and a whole lot of golden goodness: turmeric water. Once again, welcome to Natural Vitality Green, your one-stop channel for health and wellness tips and recipes. Please make sure to subscribe, ring that notification bell and leave a comment so you never miss out on our latest update. The information on the Natural Vitality Green channel is offered solely for general educational reasons and does not replace professional medical guidance or treatment for any ailment or medical concerns you may have. Please get advice from a physician. Let's start by getting to know our star ingredient, turmeric. This radiant golden spice has been an essential player in the world of wellness for centuries. Hailing from the ginger family, turmeric is like the quirky cousin who brings zest to family gatherings. What makes turmeric so special, you ask? Well, it's all thanks to a potent compound called curcumin, which is known for its extraordinary health benefits. Curcumin is like the superhero of spices, fighting off inflammation, bolstering immunity, and even providing those golden locks of radiant skin and improved memory. Now let's talk about the main attraction, turmeric water. This is not just any H2O, it's like a potion that blends perfectly with your daily routine, offering a plethora of health perks for those in their golden years. The first benefit on our list is the anti-inflammatory magic. Inflammation, the sneaky troublemaker that can cause a host of health issues, is no match for curcumin. It's like a superhero cape that combats inflammation, potentially reducing the risk of chronic conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. It's like curcumin's way of saying inflammation be gone. The second benefit that made the list is the joint jubilation. Tired of feeling a bit creaky in the joints? Turmeric water may just be your ticket to a joint jubilant life. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate joint pain and stiffness, allowing you to keep up with the youngsters and bust out those dance moves like it's 1975. Next up, we have heart health hugs. Turmeric water sends love notes to your heart. Studies suggest that it may help improve heart health by enhancing the function of the endothelium, the inner lining of your blood vessels. Better blood vessel function means improved blood flow, which is like sending little love letters to your heart saying, "I care about you." Moving on to the fourth benefit, memory masterclass. Who doesn't want a sharp memory in their golden years? Of course I do. Science even supports this claim, as it is well known that turmeric contains curcuminoids, which have a wide range of medicinal uses, including antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the spice that's taking the world by storm and turning our brains into turbocharged thinking machines. Picture this. You're in your kitchen, attempting to make an exotic curry, and you spill a bit of that glorious yellow powder everywhere. You curse your clumsiness, but little did you know you just unleashed a secret weapon for your brain. But wait, there's more. Curcumin isn't just your brain's personal trainer, it's also your defense against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. It's like having a superhero guardian in your head, protecting your memories from being kidnapped by forgetfulness. Curcumin swoops in and says, "Not today, Alzheimer's, you can't mess with my super brain." The fifth benefit is the age-defying glow. Looking for youthful radiant skin? Curcumin may come to the rescue. Its powerful antioxidant properties can combat free radicals, leaving your skin glowing like a golden sunset over the ocean. Embrace the golden aura, my friends, and feel radiant again. This takes us to the sixth benefit on our list, the digestive delight. As we age, sometimes our digestion falters. Turmeric water can lend a hand by promoting healthy digestion and soothing digestive discomfort. It's like a warm, comforting hug for your tummy. The seventh benefit is the immunity amplifier. Say hello to your immune system's new BFF. Curcumin's immune-boosting abilities can help keep you protected against those pesky bugs and keep your immune system in tip-top shape. It's like your body's golden guardian angel. Finally, eighth benefit, weight wellness. Are you looking to maintain a healthy weight? Turmeric water may help by promoting weight management. It's like your little golden sidekick on the journey to wellness. Together, you'll conquer the world. Turmeric water, your daily ritual of health and happiness. So, how can you embrace this golden elixir in your daily routine? It's simpler than telling a grandchild about life before smartphones. Here's a quick and easy recipe to get you started. Golden turmeric water recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup of warm water, 1-2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption, a drizzle of honey or a squeeze of lemon for taste. Humor, the spice of life. Now let's sprinkle a dash of humor into the mix because laughter truly is the best medicine. It's like the cherry on top of your turmeric-infused sundae. Remember, life is a bit like turmeric water. Sometimes it's a little bitter, but it's full of golden goodness. So, chuckle at life's quirks, embrace the wisdom of your years, and let turmeric water be your trusty companion on this adventurous journey through the golden age. A golden age with golden benefits. Dear golden souls, turmeric water is more than just a trend. It's a golden opportunity to enhance your well-being in this remarkable stage of life. It's a reminder that age is just a number, and each day can be a golden chapter filled with health, laughter, and vitality. So, raise your glasses, or in this case your turmeric water mugs, and toast to the vibrant golden years ahead. Cheers to the brilliance, the adventure, and the health that awaits you. Thank you for watching our video. For free 1,000-word health tips on the benefits of turmeric, kindly visit the first link in the description. Make sure to subscribe, ring that notification bell, and leave a comment in the comment section so you never miss any of our videos. See you next time.